Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ranika. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Please remember to turn on your notification bell so every time I upload a video, you get a notification. If you are not new here, thanks for watching. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be preparing brown stew fish, and I'm going to be serving this brown stew fish with rice and peas, fried plantain, and some steamed vegetables. So guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, this is our snappers, two lovely snapper. I'm going to pat dry them. You want to dry your fish before you fry them. So you're gonna just take a piece of hand towel, napkin, whatever you have to pat dry your fish. Also, you want to check the eyes when you're buying your fish. Guys, when you're buying fish, make sure you check the eyes of the fish, because if the eyes of the fish is synced in, or when you touch it like that and it is synced in, or it has a different color, like a darkish color, the fish is not good. You're wasting your money, guys. So please remember, check your fish when you're buying your fish. And we're going to do the same thing for both fish. So after you pat dry your fish, then you're going to marinate the fish. I'm going to use some black pepper, some salt, and some all-purpose seasoning. A lot of persons use only salt and black pepper to marinate their fish, but I like to put a little seasoning on my fish. You can use meat seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, or you can just use some fish seasoning. So you're going to put this mixture in the core of the fish and also in the belly of the fish. Then we're just gonna allow our fish to marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes before cooking them. So while our fish is marinating, we're just gonna prep some green seasoning and some vegetables that we're gonna cook with our fish. So after we finish prep our season and our fish is now marinated, it's time for us to cook. So we're just gonna add some oil in a pot. I like to fry my fish in a lot of oil because I don't want it to burn. So I like to use a lot of oil. Please use a fork to put the fish in the oil. You will get burned. If you can manage to put the fish in the oil like I just did, you place the head in the oil first and then you allow the body to go down in the oil. But please use a fork because you will get burned if you don't know how to do it. So now we're going to add a cup of water, and then we're going to allow this to come to a boil. Then we're going to add it to our fish. So now we're going to add our fish in a different pan, and then we're going to pour our sauté seasoning mixture over our fish. We're gonna cook this now on medium heat for at least 4 to 5 minutes. We also gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce just for color. So here is my brown stew fish, guys. My brown stew fish is now ready, and I'm going to be serving this with some rice and peas and some fried plantain. So this is my rice and peas. I'm going to show you guys in the next video how I cook my rice and peas. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment, tell me what you think about my brown stew fish. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Please share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I'll see you in the next video, guys.